I just received cases from Smartish for my review, and these are for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which I have right here. But of course, they offer it for even the latest of iPhones and a bunch of, older versions as well. So let's open Sesame, will we? Oh, look at this. So I already opened the box and I looked at it at first and I was like, oh, the back is green? Strange. But no, the back is not green. This was just this little piece there. And then you've got a nice little piece to take off right here. So let's just look at the actual design of it. So of course, we can see the MagSafe here. So there is MagSafe technology here. So the magnets, so that's going to work. I hope you can see the grittiness here, and you've got kind of like ridges. It's hard to see. Yeah, you can see them now. See that right there? That's kind of like makes it easier for your hand to fit on it. That's pretty cool. So let's see how it fits, how it literally fits. Oh, wow. This is pretty. And check this out, guys. You just go like this. Ooh, look at that. Okay. I like this. Me likey a lot. This is so nice. And you've got the MagSafe, of course, like I said. You've got the nice bumper around the lens. The lens is, I should say, right there. So you've got that bumper. Bumper all around for the screen. I, again, love the ruggedness on this. This is super nice. You've got all the buttons accessible, of course. So you've got your camera button, your volume, everything. And the bottom as well for the speakers. But it does, my biggest takeaway from here is how, what the black part, it's like a gritty rubber. It feels fantastic. I love it. I think it's gorgeous as well. Yeah, this thing is staying on for sure. Wow.